Hey there, bookshelf adventurers and miniature world enthusiasts. Ever wished your book collection had a secret passage? A little slice of fantasy tucked right in between your favorite novels? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're diving headfirst into the absolutely charming, utterly delightful universe of Book Nooks. Those tiny, intricate dioramas that transform your ordinary shelf into something straight out of a storybook. We've got 5 fantastic finds that are sure to spark your imagination and maybe, just maybe, make you want to clear off a little space right now. Let's get building. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Row Life Book Nook. This little beauty is a real head turner, creating a cozy, silent corner study right on your shelf. You'll be piecing together miniature books, tiny furniture, and even a desk lamp that lights up, giving off that warm, inviting glow. It's a wonderfully detailed project, a true labor of love that feels incredibly rewarding once it's all put together. Perfect for a rainy afternoon or a quiet evening. It brings a touch of old-world charm and a sense of calm to any space. A genuine conversation starter for sure. Basically, the miniature masterpiece your books have been yearning for. Next up, we have the Fun Pola Book Nook. And holy cow, this one takes things to a whole new level. With its magic library and infinity mirror effect, imagine a seemingly endless corridor of books, all lit up with little LEDs, giving you this incredible illusion of depth. It's not just a puzzle, it's an optical illusion that works like a charm, making your bookshelf feel like it stretches into another dimension. The details are crisp, the assembly is engaging, and the payoff is a truly unique piece that will have everyone doing a double take. It's pure magic, no two ways about it. Basically, the mind-bending portal your reading nook desperately needs. Moving on to the Tone Cheer Book Nook, this kit is an absolute game changer if you're into whimsical fairy tales and enchanting melodies. Because yes, this one actually plays music. It's a charming wooden puzzle that builds into a beautiful scene, perhaps a secret garden or a quaint village, complete with lights and a little tune. It adds an extra layer of sensory delight to your display, making it more than just a visual treat. The craftsmanship is top-notch, and the joy of seeing it come to life, both visually and audibly, is just fantastic. It's a truly immersive experience, basically, the harmonious hideaway that sings to your soul. Then there's the Mini City Book Nook, and if you've ever dreamt of having a bustling little street scene or a charming alleyway peeking out from your books, this is your jam. These kits often feature intricate buildings, tiny storefronts, and vibrant street life, all brought to life with delicate LED lighting. It's like creating your own miniature urban escape, packed with character and tiny details that make you smile. The assembly is straightforward enough to be fun, not frustrating. And the finished product is a dynamic, eye-catching addition that really pops on the shelf, giving your books a lively backdrop. Basically, the bustling burrow that brightens your bookshelf. And to wrap things up, we have the Cute Bee Book Nook. This one often leans into delightful themes like cozy coffee shops or quaint village scenes, bringing a warm, inviting atmosphere right into your home. You'll find yourself meticulously crafting tiny cups, miniature pastries, and even little patrons, all illuminated by soft LED lights. It's incredibly detailed and just oozes charm, creating a heartwarming vignette that feels lived in and loved. The build process is a joy, a perfect way to unwind and create something truly special, a little piece of comfort and creativity for your literary space. Basically, the delightful diorama that brews up joy. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible book nooks to get your imagination buzzing and your shelves looking snazzy. Pick your favorite and get crafting.